Are you looking to kickstart your Amazon business but unsure of how to start and in need of expert guidance? You can start your Amazon business from the comfort of your home without prior experience, office setup, and with minimum investment. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of Amazon FBA selling. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own online business, Amazon FBA can be a game changer. So, let's break it down and see how it works. Step 1. Find profitable products. With Amazon FBA, you can sell almost anything, from electronics to beauty products, home goods to books. Step 2. Source your products. You can choose to source products from wholesalers, manufacturers, or even private label your own products. Step 3. Prep and ship your products to Amazon. Once you've sourced your products, you'll need to prepare and ship them to Amazon's fulfillment center. Step 4. Amazon takes care of fulfillment. Amazon handles the storage, packaging, and shipping of your products to customers through their Prime service. Step 5. Focus on growing your business. With Amazon FBA, you can focus on scaling your business by optimizing your listings, giving discounts, coupons, and running ads. But wait, there's more. Amazon FBA also offers benefits like access to Amazon's massive customer base, customer service, and returns handling. Ready to start your own Amazon FBA business? It's an incredible opportunity, and we're here to help. Watch our free masterclass about Amazon selling, where you can learn the step-by-step process to kickstart. The link is in the description. For more details about e-commerce, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit on bell icon.